Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front sway bar bushing, or we call a stabilizer bushing, on 010 Lexus IS 250. Okay, let's get it started guys. So they have two bolts. Okay, they use number 14mm. Okay, let's get it started. Here is number 14mm. Just scrap loose it. Okay, they had two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. So a little bit hard to see then. Okay, so this one a little bit blocking you guys. I don't know you can see it clearly. Let me move the camera to the bottom one. It will be much easier to see it. See it? It's bushing in here. My camera, gosh, no place to put it. So let me put in a tie rod. Okay, you can see quite clearly. So see it, it's number 14 here, one on the bottom and one on the top. I think we get a lot of room to do on this job. Yeah, the same car that I changed the rear strut, but the rear strut like is take me forever to finish it. And on the top bolt is number 14 too. And the bushing, I recommend you to buy the bushing from Lexus dealer. Okay, don't put aftermarket one. The bushing from aftermarket, it's not last longer. It's a point. So and the bushing is not really expensive. I bought it in like $20 something each. So the bushing look like, okay, it's a brand new bushing. It's a part number is 48815-30561. Okay, it's just pop the cap. Wow, the cap's strong now. Just put the cap here, pull the caps. See when you pull the cap. So we remove the bracket this one out. So let's see. Remove it and pull it. You see the bushing completely cooked. Not good anymore. So you see it's bad. So let me bring the new one and install it. This is what the new one look like. See it? It's nice. Okay, just put it. Put the bracket back in. Okay. So I'm gonna spray W40 a little bit. Install the bolt. Maybe I can use the air gun on that side. Let me bring my tool in. Got my shop done faster. So it's much easier. So pops out and tightening up with the ratchet in here, steel 8. Okay, one perfect, and I try the other one. Okay, it's all set for one side. Let me go to other side. Okay, let me move the camera. Move the camera to the other side on the driver's side. Just finished the passenger side one. So this one I will going to do on the driver's side. Okay, so start it. Okay, one bolts out. I use a ratchet impact gun so the boot. Can make my job done faster. So okay, so 1 second, let me find a room to get it. Here we go. It's out now. It's come out, just pull it. It's a new bushing. Let me reinstall it. Here we go. Let me try the other one. Okay, so okay. One more to go. Okay, it's a perfect. So just tie things up. Okay, one good, and this is the last one, last bolt. Okay, it's all set to go, guys. It's how to start and to finish for the changing the front bushing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.